Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we talk a lot about home decor. So if that interests you in any way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. My name over there is MyJessicaJ. In today's video, I have a huge home decor fall edition haul for you guys. I shopped at places like HomeGoods and Target, which is super affordable, and CB2, which one of the things was a splurge, but I'll show you guys that. Before we get started, please hit the thumbs up button. That helps my channel out so much, and let's get started. So if you're curious or you need a little bit of inspiration on what to do to bring in that fall feeling and fall look, I really just have 5 suggestions, which is a throw blanket, pillows, of course candles to really bring in that fall scent, and candles just really warm up a space as well when you have them lit. So candles, you can't forget about the candles. You need fall florals or some kind of stem, and then a decorative item like a pumpkin. Now, do you have to get all 5 items to really achieve that fall look in your home? And the answer is no. You can really do what you want to do, but if you just need some kind of guidance on what to do or what to bring into your home, then those are my 5 suggestions. So I'll start with Target. So first I want to talk about these Meyer's hand soap. I know everyone pretty much gets these for the fall, but it's well worth it. They smell so good and it really does bring in that fall feeling. I will actually pour these into a different container, but I just love how it smells like fall. I don't really remember the price, but I'll have everything linked down below if you guys want to check them out. Next item I got, which is really not fall, but I mean it can be if you really want to bring in more warmer tone colors. I picked up this dish brush from the Hearth and Hand line. I already had one, but it needed to be replaced, so I did pick up another one. This one was only $4.99, and I had this sitting in a ceramic dish just like that above my sink or on my sink, and it just kind of keeps everything tidy and neat and makes it look pretty good. Another item I got from Target is this candle by Threshold. This is a Studio McGee one in the scent Masala Rose. I actually talked about this one before, but the larger size one, I love the Masala Rose. It smells like fall and I love roses, so it's kind of a mixture of both. It's just a warm scented rose is really how I can explain it, and it just smells really good. I did get the smaller one this time because the larger one you do have to burn for a little while before the wax burns evenly. If not, then it'll just kind of tunnel down, and I'm noticing that I was kind of blowing it out too soon. So I did get a smaller one, but I probably will go back and get the larger one and burn that when I know I'm going to be home for a while, or I'm having company over for a while or something like that. And this one is $15, and if you're interested in that larger one that I had last time, that one was $20. So if you want to spend an extra $5 for a larger size one, I would, but just make sure you burn it long enough for it to burn evenly. I got more candles because what is fall without candles, you guys? I picked up this votive set. This is fragrance free, and I actually have some votive holders that I picked up from Kirkland's. I have yet to use this because, well, maybe I used it once. No, I don't think I used it yet because I haven't had any votive candles. So I'm gonna use these during the holidays to really bring in that coziness vibe. And the last item I picked up from Target is, of course, a decorative item, you guys. I couldn't resist. I had to get this pumpkin. It's so cute. I will say, a lot of them were marked up, and even mine, I don't know what happened to it, but it got marked up. Hopefully it comes off with a magic eraser. I will let you know on the screen somewhere if I was able to get it off. Just keep that in mind. But this one was $10. It's just a ceramic pumpkin. They also had it in brown, like you guys saw in the video, and I think more of like a warm tone, like camel color, but I just love it. Look at that. Super cute. I plan to put this on my coffee table. I do want to show you guys my decorative items or my pumpkins that I picked up from Target last year because they have similar ones this year if you guys are interested. I picked up this woven one. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this one, but it'll find a home. It'll go somewhere. I think I paid $15 for this one last year. They have smaller ones this year. I haven't seen this one exactly. I will check online to see if I can find the exact one. If not, I'll link similar ones down below. But I just really love the woven detail. It brings some warmth in here. It feels like fall. So I want to show you guys that one. And then I also picked up this one last year. It's just a white candle. It's super small. I think this one was like $5, maybe $10. And you can also turn it on, it lights up. So if you're really into Halloween, you can light that up at night, or if you have kids, they probably will really enjoy that. Okay, moving on to HomeGoods. As you guys know, sometimes you have to go a few times to HomeGoods to really get what you're looking for. So the things I'm gonna share with you guys are actually a few trips worth of stuff, but it was worth it. So let's get started with candles. And honestly, I love burning candles all year long, but I really love getting candles with the different seasons. So I did get a bunch of fall inspired candles. The first one I got is this one. It's called Pumpkin Harvest, and it's a vegan soy wax blend. We like that. I just really love the scent of this. It smells like pumpkin and maybe a little bit of vanilla too. Yeah, I would say pumpkin and vanilla, and it just smells so good. It smells like fall. It's not too sweet, but it is a little sweetness to it as well. They had a bunch of these kind of candles. You can choose to leave these labels on. You can take them off. You can just turn the candle so you can't see them. Whatever you like. I just really got it for the smell. And this one was $6.99. The next candle I got is by Sand & Fog, and it's probably my favorite candle from HomeGoods for the fall season. This one is an apple cider, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells just like fall. Like if you threw apples and maybe a little bit of cinnamon and some other kind of spice in a pan. Oh, that's what this smells like. It smells so good. It's not too much. It's exactly what you need. So if you're not into pumpkins or like vanilla type smells, try the apple cider. It smells really good. This one was $14.99, and this is a pretty good size jar too. And the last candle I got is also by Sand & Fog. This one's a little bit of a different label, and this is Vanilla Sandalwood. And this one also smells really good. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. This one was $7.99. I really love the glass detail. It's smoked glass. But yeah, you can just have this on your coffee table and it will look so good, and have it lit. Oh. Yes. And of course, I had to pick up a pumpkin, you guys. I had to get a pumpkin. I love going there and looking at their glass pumpkins. I don't know why I didn't pick up any last year. Anywho, I picked up this beautiful one right here. Oh my gosh, you guys. It looks so good. It looks expensive. This one was $14.99, and it has this metal detail right here. And I don't have any type of silver in my home, so I do have a brass paint. So if I want to paint this, I could, but I don't think I will. I think I'll just leave it as is. I think it looks fine. And it's so cute. Yeah, if you guys haven't picked up your decorative pumpkins yet and you need some, I would definitely go ahead and get it now, because it's gonna be sold out before you know it. Okay, now we're gonna get into the, however you guys want to think of it, gimmicky or fun type of fall decor. And really this is just more like Halloween-ish. I didn't really decorate for Halloween last year. I just had like a couple of items out. So I just got a couple more, well, really just one more item. And I got this stacked jack-o'-lantern ceramic. This one actually lights up, and you can have that on at night. I do have kids, and I do like to decorate a little bit for them. So I thought this was super cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put it at. I think it might go in my kitchen, but I love it. And this one was only $9.99, so I couldn't pass it up. Okay, last two items. Let me give you guys a little backstory. In my neighborhood, people decorate for fall and Halloween like it's Christmas. I mean, they go way out, but we really love going around the neighborhood and looking at the Halloween decorations. So I picked up these coffee cups, and I thought they were super cute. It says spooky on it. Now I really picked these up for the kids to put hot chocolate in or hot apple cider and go around the neighborhood and look at the decorations. So I thought that was like a nice little touch, and hopefully I'll create good memories for them when they grow up. I think I had got some last year too, and I think I picked up Christmas ones as well, because we like to go around the neighborhood for Christmas and look at the decorations too. And then I really love getting conversation starter cocktail napkins. I always picked up little gimmicky ones, cute ones, whatever you want to call it. This one says Happy Halloweens by Molly and Rex. I picked this one up. Oh, it's actually from Marshall's, but you guys know Marshall's and HomeGoods, sometimes they have the same stuff. But these were $2.99. I thought these were really cute, so I will have these out when we're making cocktails or maybe if the kids have hot cocoa or whatnot, or cookies. So these are fun. Okay, last two items from CB2. And you guys, I had to get a throw blanket. Let me show you this one. I honestly needed a throw blanket. This one ended up going on sale during the Labor Day weekend, so I snatched it up. I had to. But this is a faux fur blanket, and it looks so realistic. It's so soft. The fur is, the faux fur, it's really, really good quality. It has some highs and lows in here, and I'll get close up so you guys can see. And then the backing, so soft. I am obsessed with this blanket, and it doesn't shed or anything like that, which is a plus. I love this. It's so warm and so soft. I actually had this draped on my chair, but I might put it on my couch. We'll see, but yeah, it's really, really good. And the last item I got are these bunny tails. I actually picked up 2 bundles of these, and the other one's just kind of sitting out on the table. But I just love the color of these. They are such a good color. They just really remind me of fall. And I believe these were $14 at CB2, not expensive. And I went with CB2 instead of going on Amazon just because I already know what these look like. I've seen them in person. I just really love the color of them. You gotta get some fall florals, bringing that fall feeling. I love these so much. And I had bunny tails last year, but they were a bleach color. So I decided to go with natural this year. And they also have another color. I can't remember offhand, but I'll have those linked down below if you guys are interested. All right, guys, we made it to the end. That is the haul. That's everything I got. I'm curious if you guys are decorating for fall this year. Have you picked up your stuff yet? Are you recycling some of the items you got last year? I actually didn't have a lot last year, so I'm just kind of building on my collection, and I'm happy. Only thing I think I might get is another candle or 2, but I think I'm all right for right now. I will also do a decorate with me for fall, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, how I put these pieces together and put them out in my home, then don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.